Hi all, welcome to Datadog's new data stream. Today I will be discussing about one of the new AI tool which I have found recently. It's about more of creating apps in detailed manner. So I got to know about this Bolt.new. They have like simple uh, funda prompt, run, edit, and deploy full stack web app. So it when you give prompt in simple language, it it creates whole app from scratch with your prompts or screenshot reference and create full stacks files within your GitHub. So it requires when you sign in, it requires your GitHub permission or GitHub access. Maybe there are users are more active as of now, but I'm not sure. Let's check. Okay, it's done. Since I have previously gave access to GitHub, it auto connects me to GitHub. With this, first thing I have to mention here that it is paid app, so there is no free plan available. So I have just gone through different resources I have found online and on YouTube how it actually works. So if you find you can see here previous chat settings, uh, toggle theme. I think it's just light and dark. So for subscription there are like for pro $20 per month, then $50, then there are other categories for different workflows. So I found similar to other most standard AI apps, it charges $20 per month. In Indian currency, we can see it's around 1700 something. So since it required pricing or subscription, paid subscription, I have not tried it because there is no need as of now for my uh, professional work as well as what I do on free time. Like so also uh, through this help center, we can see here they have different in detail support or guidance material available. So we can see here they have provided full length app build overview where you can uh, check like how different apps are built or with this Bolt.mu app AI app. Also they have provided some issues or track feature requests. They have this YouTube channel where you can go through and check uh, in details the this AI features, and it will be helpful for uh, those who are who want to try to get new update or identify new features. What I have found that this particular video for beginner, it is perfect in this Brock Masarich. He told with demo like from this bot.mu AI, how can we create app from scratch. So in this he mentioned about using screenshot for design from and uh, dribble, and from this screenshot, when he placed that screenshot one- in this AI with simple prompt, how this AI creates different files for GitHub. Like you can see here, src file created, git ignore, then index. We can see all full stack related files created here. So from this, once it is created, also shows error. Then you need to uh, just mention that it is showing error, so it uh, auto corrects from that prompt. Then it shows output. This is the draft output we can say here. And from this, if you want to modify that output, then you just need to provide prompt here, and from that, again, that draft, it gets modified. So you can see this is the output they have generated from this. And with better prompt or better technical words, this output over the time it gets updated for a reference. And same time, those files, full stack files, also modified for our reference. So I think who knows full stack, like, and used to uh, uh, like, you are like, those who using GitHub and full stack a regularly basis and have pretty much idea about how it works. And if there is a workload and too demanding, then this is the best app they can refer for quick developments of different apps. With small reference, you can create good apps from this AI. So that's it for today. And I think you can this app will be useful for you. I will in future, I will try for sure. And how what you refer for creation of for different apps, like, is there like use build from scratch, or you take help from AI tools which are emerging for quick work reduction? So please let me know in comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's it for today. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.